welcome to the first MPF nutrition video, episode 1, season 1. We're going to show you how to make a bulking shake, an all natural bulking shake. We're using MPF nutrition biomass fish isolate hydrolyzed protein. Right, we're going to open up the protein. I'm going to show you how to open it first because it's got some really good security on this. I can't fucking open it up.
Let me try.
God damn, what the? Come on. Get this opened. Chocolate. Smell like chocolate to you?
See? Chocolate.
Now what we want to tell you first, folks, is this protein, we're going to be honest with you, it's not the best flavour in the world because we use a very minimum cut to the protein. So what you're getting is 90% pure protein. Now if you're not uneducated and you don't understand that, most US branded proteins and brands from Peru have a very, very high cut. So you're probably getting 50% protein, 50% flavour, and that's why you get such a rich taste from your chocolate flavour and your banana flavours and that. But we're trying to give you a protein that is pure protein and it's doing what it says on the package, if you understand what I mean. We're going to add the water, it's going to go to 32 ounces. Now you can use milk if you want to use milk, that's going to give you extra protein and extra calories for bulking, but now we're just going to use water for now. Right, we're going to add banana now, a whole banana to it that we chopped up. 100 grams of quinoa. Then we're going to add 4 scoops of oats, this is a 35 gram scoop, so we're going to put around 150 grams of oats. Okay, we're going to add brown sugar just to add a little bit of sweetness to the shake. Obviously it's going to give you extra calories as well, but we're using brown sugar instead of white sugar. Right, there you go. Now for the secret ingredient, we add 2 scoops of the protein. This is going to 70 grams of protein, which is going to give you 63 grams of protein. That's chocolate flavour. Pop the lid on. Over to the blender. Chocolate. Try it, Diego.
Excellent.
3 of these a day, guys. If you can get 3 of these a day into your diet, including your diet, you're on the road to becoming a freak. Full of calories, protein, carbs, everything you need. That is how you make a bulking shake. Now guys, I wanted to tell you before we go, we have a massive event being held here in Quito, Ecuador. It is the IFBB Pro Marius Done Classic, the biggest event ever in Ecuador and Latin America. It's a big competition. We've partnered with the Health and Sports Expedition that's being held. Where's it being held, Diego?
In el Parque Bicentenario.
Yes. And we have MPF nutrition athletes, exclusive athletes attending the event. We've got IFBB Pro Jeff Genetics Beckham coming from New York. We've got WBBF Pro World Champion Ignacio Torres. We've got WBBF Pro Miss Universe 4-time Amateur World Champion Emilia Toledo coming. We've got massive competition, prize money. The winner of the event will also be trained by Marius Done to receive an IFBB Pro card and compete in the USA. We've also got seminars going on. We've got the first ever live hardcore training battle, Marius Done versus Jeff Beckham versus Ignacio Torres. and we're also going to hold a muscle camp there where you can train with the stars and learn the art of posing. This event is being held on October 3, 4, 5 and 6. Remember that, 3, 4, 5 and 6, October, Quito, Ecuador.
No se olviden del mejor evento en Sudamérica y en Ecuador, el Marius Don Classic, el 3, 4, 5 y 6 de octubre en el Parque Bicentenario, con atletas exclusivos de la marca como IFBB, Jeff Genetti Beckham, Ignacio Torres, Yamila Toledo. También tenemos seminarios, batallas de entrenamiento entre todos los atletas exclusivos de la marca. Visítanos el 3, 4, 5 y 6 de octubre en el Parque Bicentenario.
Thanks guys for listening. You can catch more videos from us. Don't forget to check the Muscle Prodigy Freaks Nutrition page, the MPF Nutrition page, and the MPF YouTube channel. Thanks for listening. I'm John Chatley.
Yo soy Diego Poveda.
Don't forget MPF Nutrition, my soul resides in the freak, the takeover.